how to make drink for like Oreo drink. First, Oreo spoon, baso, slash cup, milk powder, Milo powder. First, you're gonna smash some Oreos. You can just use milk. It's very optional. Baby, crush them. And you also need ice. We'll get ice later. You can just put it there. First, add the Milo. Reminder, put the cereal first, not the milk. Put the cereal first. Get more Oreos. May ito siya level. I'm sorry, I have a little one. I have a little Milo. Milo every day. No, not every day, but it can be. And then just add also milk. Damn, I love milk. Sometimes I go. Ah! Wait. I am back. And then just put the milk. Okay, since you put the milk in, now to put the Oreos. Crush it a little. And then add water. And you're done. Bye.